It's a kind of magic. It's a kind of magic. A kind of magic.
Well, hi guys, I'm Wadac2 from uklogsport.co.uk, and this is a video, or should I say another video, of the 2-lever tryout keys. You get 7 on a bunch there. You literally try each one in the lock to see if you can actually manipulate the lock open. This in fact is an internal door in my own house that we have never had a key for, and I've never ever tried using any tryout keys on it. Why, I don't know. I suppose it's like second nature, just walking through a door when it'll open, but decided to have a play today. Normally what you do is you go through each of your keys from 1 to 7 and see if one will actually manipulate the lock in the door. Now, I'm not going to go through each of these. I might just use the first one, which is there, to show you slight movement on the sort of bolt, but there is one on there that works absolute wonders. So this is key, or should I say tryout key number 1. It goes in. You can see the slight movement there from the bolts. You literally go through each one, but what I've found with this, the door's going to shut, is key number 4, which is that one. Not that it makes any difference to the video, because each lock can be actually different, I suppose. It's in the unlocked position. There you go, locked straight up. Unlocked. Locked. Take it back out. Move it around a tad. Yeah, unlocked. Locked back up. Unlocked. So that number 4 tryout key works absolute wonders on this mortise lock that I've never actually had a key for. So if you are newbies to Lock Sports, guys, please come and visit us at www.uklogsport.co.uk. While on the forum, visit specialkeys.co.uk, where you can purchase lots and lots of things like this. Tryout keys, bump keys, pick sets, you name it. So again, thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.